Hello to everyone. Hello YouTubers. I'm now in the construction site. As you see, there is now a development. We buy 2 by 5 durian kahoy, durian. Matumbahan ta kini karon. As you see, nagsiling na, nag-roof na, dipot na, a roof. Wow. It's so nice to see that my 200,000 has a roof now. There is I buy 2 by 2 at 2 by 3 14 pieces durian. Then durian trees, 2 by 5 and 2 by unsa ganito 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 5 ug unsa kitong last nong 2 by 3, 2 by 5 ug 2 by 2. Oh. You see? There is a big development. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe on my own YouTube channel. Mila Maikilya, you see the episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, how it looked like the 200,000. And the following day, there is a jealousy. There is lavabo and the CR and the sink and the window and 2 rooms. I think 2 rooms, but it is 3 rooms. But because of my money is cannot make 3 rooms, it only 2 rooms. So the sun is shining and I cannot see fully the picture of the house, but this is it really looks like. And there is a sun, fine sun. There is Jeffrey. Hi Jeffrey. He starred and the fine sun and the sige itong pangalan sa isa ka sun gani Kusan 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 and the fine sun, the fine Kusan and the fine sun is there as you see. Kusan and the scene unsa English sa scene gani the rope, you see the scene, the 48th scene for the rope. My rope is only ordinary scene because I had no budget for the mahal na scene. The high-end scene, color of scene, I don't have budget. My budget is only 200,000. So, my dear viewers, please view all my part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 of construction. But first, you build a house. You first buy a lot like this. It's very, very, very big. 400 square meter. Before it cost 400,000 utang pa. And installment, sige lang good. Abi na lang rich ko. I make an installment for 400,000 for 2 years. But now, the 400,000, it comes to, pila na gani? 1.2 million. But my house is not in million. It's only 200,000. So bye-bye. God bless to all. God bless to everyone. Please keep safe now in the virus. Don't go anywhere. Stay at home and continue to pray to God. Bye-bye. Keep on viewing my channel as you see how it looks like the 200,000. Bye-bye.